Thank you very much for your time. Apni an recently press conference ita dise aro itu laga against the Nagaland Pradesh Mahila Congress pa kuise. They have specifically mentioned that the sudden love for women's reservation by the Bharatiya Janata Party Mahila Samaj is more of a political hypocrisy and election opportunism. So Tate, what do you have to comment on that?
Well, you see, this is all politics. So, as a political opponent, anything that is done by any party, the opponents will always rise against it, whether it is good or bad. So, whatever they have said, it is their what should I say? It is their right to speak out, and for us also, it is our right to move for it. So this 33% reservation for women is not only for BJP party or for any regional party. It is for all the women of the country. So I believe the women of other parties, maybe because of some technical reasons, they might have said this or that, but in the heart of heart, when the bill is passed, every party woman will be taking the chance. So I hope and pray that in the heart of heart, they are praying for us. Thank you.
They have also said that the 73rd and 74th constitutional amendments actually have this 33% reservation under the Congress rule during PV Narasimha Rao's rule. So that time it was implemented for Panchayati Raj and the urban local bodies.
Yes.
But then it has not been implemented by the BJP government since its start of governance. Why has it taken this long, would you say? And in regard to Nagaland, how it will get delayed because of the delimitation and 2029 census. So do you have anything to say on that?
Well, during the Congress time, they had laid this bill, but it was not implemented. So, for any bill to be passed, we need majority in the parliament. So there was those technical reasons why it was not being able to pass during the BJP regime in the beginning. But today, we have the majority in the parliament, in the Lok Sabha, in the Rajya Sabha, and we believe our Prime Minister is a man who stands for women. So I believe this time all our leaders will use their wisdom and support to pass this bill so that the women in the country also will increase in the decision-making body.
Don't you think it's just perfect timing during the elections, or is it just coincidence, ma'am?
Sometimes it happens, sometimes there are things, some policies which has to be implemented in time, and this is politics. What do we say to that? Thank you.
Ma'am, since 2014, idia PGB government idia bi ase aro idia to til te tani ase to isule to why takhan eman deri sal de implement kuro parala ite election adam de kiba kuro le try kore supplementing to Esther question.
No, that's what I said. You need majority in the parliament. So these are all technical things, to pass the bill. So today we have a majority in the parliament.
Is it politics?
Political techniques, you should say. So,
Ma'am, I have a question. Abnigan Zani as dundu dia government bra ko ase from 543 seats to 840 seats increase kurubo. Whereas BJP in majority takhan already in alliance government kurne bo ase center DB. But kotha din ka ase for Nagaland state we have only 2 seats for like one Rajya Sabha, one Lok Sabha. So 2 each kuri dibo gushe. But the question lies here, duijon already ami han ke represent kuri gine jaigine boine taka ekjon Lok Sabha Rajya Sabha te ami han garne ki kaam kurishe eta tak to aro obviously 33 reservation magian garne thaka do we congratulate and we appreciate it to hobo lage, but don't you think your government is trying to add on this reservation koi gine election time de molaga other colleagues can be koi thaka do they are trying to play a political game technical ase will be political thagya do ita hisab de manu khan ke do dhamali aro joke mara nishna hoy.
no, it is not a joke. You see, for us women, whatever may be the time or the season, as long as the bill is passed, we will accept it. Whichever party passes the bill, we will accept it.
So how Nagaland is going to face, because itu pure ase to delimitation wadim do obviously itu kya mehan margin gurubo lagibo census item de area wise divide gurubo kun to seat ko do itu to ami Nagaland state de parbon na eman chudu state ke kan chudu katigine wara do kun represent gurubo lase representative thaka dem de nutun kan olabo duita aro to ola dem de kam du kinga gurine jabole ase itu bi sabal du lase to maiki manuhi itu duita seat te bobo na kuni bobo lase itu bi kuchna ko na.
No, the delimitation will be there, of course, for the whole country. ইটো delimitation কৰি কেন পিছেতো আমি হান seat adjustment থাকিব and ইতিয়া দাখান rough calculation কৰা দেতো we Nagaland will get 2 Lok Sabha seats. So the more we get, the better it is for all of us because we just have one. I mean, la population committee ase and only 1 Lok Sabha, 1 Rajya Sabha MP. So that region probably cover kuribo na pare. We say population committee ase, but still then they are not able to cover with the fund that region laga share bra. So when we have extra again, more members in the parliament and Rajya Sabha, we'll have more development funds for us. You know, so. There we should be thankful that the government is ready to give us.
Last question. Ido duita seat pabu ka ase. To apni anto women reservation 33 as a question. Ido seat to women karne reserve kuru dibo na kurbo. Kile kurbo parele kul to apni ani to lagi na lagi. Ido bhi ek bar koi sabi. Apni represent kuri ase magi an ke 33 reservation karne apni an stand kuri ase that it's right time ita dibo lagi ko ase but duita notun seat ola ase to why not for the women ido reserve kone dibo lagi. Ido apni ki kobo?
No, we are saying 33% reservation, but that will be calculated, na? Mathematical calculation kuribo. Just because we have 2 seats in the parliament, it will be maiki lobo la kotha nai. Okay? There will be a mathematical political calculation. So ekta mota bhi pabo pare. So we should wait for it.
Ma'am, one final question. ENPO also. Now, what about 33% reservation for them? Will that be separated from the state?
For that, I have no comments now.